Our gents, welcome to the first lesson in your trading journey. In this lesson, ngizobe ngi-explain ukuthi yini forex, yini ama indices, and why lama markets are popular to traders like us. So without any further ado, let's go to lesson 1.1. What is forex? Yini forex? Forex stands for foreign exchange. Mangabheka kahle lapha abahlanganisela amagama wethu foreign no exchange. They just took FOR and EX to make it forex. So forex usuke wenzani? Usuke u-exchanger or usuke u-trader i-value of one currency against the other. For example, mangabe siphethe i-euro USD, kusho ukuthi ucompare i-euro against i-dollar. Mangabe ucabanga ukuthi i-euro lizobe line-strength, uyalithenga i-euro USD. Kodwa mangabe ucabanga ukuthi i-dollar lizoba ne-strength than i-euro, then kusho ukuthi uzothenga i-euro USD. Uzoyithengisa, not thenga, sorry. Uzoyithengisa i-euro USD. Angazi nayithola lento le. Athi ngingivezele la. So i-euro USD mangabe silindele ukuthi i-euro USD izoba ne-strength, angithi we buy it. Then izoya phezulu. So uzosebenzisa whatever logic that you have to predict i-market ukuthi iye phezulu, then uzosipositiona in a right position ukuthi ungene leyo market leyo, then ubuy, then uhold, then uphume at a certain level. Kodwa mangabe ulindele ukuthi i-euro USD rather or i-dollar libe stronger than i-euro, uzobona like ama movements nyana I saw, like it will cause a small nyana crash ku market, hence ubona market yaphansi. When the euro is strong, the market goes up. When the dollar is strong, the market goes down. When the euro is weak, the market goes down. When the dollar is weak, the market goes up. You have to go back kule video le ulalele lento engishilo to get it into your head. And ungakhohlwa ukubhala lama, like what I'm saying here. Use notes. Sebenzisa ama notes. Like notebook, you need a notebook so that these things can stay in your head. That was the forex. So there's a difference between forex nani nama indices. Forex is when you are dealing with ama currencies. Then ama indices is something different. Let's just talk about it now. So indices are a collection of top performing companies. So kushuti stock, some companies are top in the US. So NAS 100 or US 100 or sometimes ungashuti Nasdaq. That stock or index, it tracks the top 100 tech companies in the US like Apple, Tesla, Amazon, khona Facebook, khona Google. Yeah, I100 mawaphelele. So this index tracker performance ya. So kusho ukuthi maya phansi kusho ukuthi is performing bad. Maya phezulu then it's performing good. Mina leyo nto le athi ngiveze. So Nasdaq or NAS 100 overall market iyabhaya, guys. That's what we know angere. So leyo nto ayishintshi le. Okay, so masibheka la kusho ukuthi la in these 2 days the market was like crashing. Actually crash, but it was crashing into something especially la. Was crashing into something special before izoya phezulu. So imarket ile ayehla ya reach a point of interest, then yaya phezulu. So at this point ukusuka la phezulu kuza la phansi kusho ukuthi i-value of the 100 companies was weak. That's what I can say. Then it traded into a point of interest, then it started to gain its strength. Then it went up like this. So that is the index, which is in Nasdaq or in NAS 100. Now let's go back to our notes. Now 1.6. Okay, so as I was saying, iyo leyo inner stack. So mangabe uyazibuza ukuthi why do we trade these markets? We trade these markets because there's high liquidity, especially ku Nasdaq or iNAS 100. Kune liquidity buy. It's easy ukuthi ungene manje uphume manje, right? Then there is a global access, so anyone in the world can access these markets. So unga trade in Nasdaq noma ukuphi through your phone, laptop or any other device. And there is this potential for strong returns. Mangabu, you are skilled, like we are learning the skill here that will help us to get these returns, right? And outdoing imali buyer to execute on these markets, you just need a skill and the consistency, right? So njengoba sowazi ukuthi yini trading, like natural, you know what is trading now. Yeah. So in the next lesson I'll break down ukuthi yini smart money concept and why the market doesn't move randomly. The market is controlled by algorithm. If you understand the algorithm repeats every day. Like there's a process. So, then step 2 so, then step 3 so, then 4 anjalo. So the algorithm is 7 anjalo. So the market follows that sequence. So without any further ado, let's go to lesson 1.2. See you there. Awe.